Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Kogan credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to log into your Kogan credit card, open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.koganmoney.com.au and press enter on a keyboard. Once you do that, you'll end up in this official site of Kogan Money. Mouse over to the login drop-down at the top right and click on the credit card login button. On the next page, you'll end up in the login area. Type in your username and your password associated with the account. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on this register link at the bottom and follow the instructions provided on your display. Start off by typing in your username if you already have an account in the first text box, and head over to the next field to type in your password. If you don't remember your username or your password, you can get help by clicking on the forgot your username or the password link and follow the instructions to look for your credentials. If you'd like the system to remember your credential before logging in, click on this remember my username link. But make sure to leave the box unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. After filling in all of the details, and if it is correct, you can click the login button in order to get access to your Kogan credit card online. The Kogan credit card is a product offered by Kogan. It is an Australian online retailer. It allows users to earn reward points for every purchase made with the card. That is how you can easily log into your Kogan credit card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.